Alright, now welcome back to the channel. Well, another day, another dollar. You can tell my voice, I'm a little bit on the tired side today. You can only go for so long before you get wore out. Now I'm going to let you know I'm wore out, I'm tired. But it ain't gonna stop us from racing. Don't worry about being tired tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, today's Saturday. Saturday's race day. We ain't worried about it. If the devil was standing right here in front of us and this was the gates of hell, we're gonna drive right on through that some bitch to this racetrack today, because you know why? Because this boy in the back seat's #1 in the points. Ain't a damn thing stopped me from getting down here in this racetrack today. Ain't nothing stopping us. I promise you. I don't care what lands in front of this Jeep right now. This power pole right here falls and this Jeep's going across it. We don't even care. We ain't scared. Like I said, race day. Caden gonna try today. We got that Kart set up last time. We might be on to something. If it handles like it did last time, he gonna park that thing in Victory Circle today. We're gonna see. Like I said, she was flying last time. We got it figured out, so wish us luck. Like I said, I'm almost take up the back. I'm gonna protect everybody. She called me the bodyguard. I got everybody's back. I'm gonna protect everybody. I'm gonna be at the back just rolling along. So, what do you think, Caden? You ready?
Yeah.
You excited? How many more races we got this year?
4 after this one. 5.
Five today.
We got 5 today. We got 4 more races this season. Then I get to go actually race something instead of their car racing all the time.
Well,
I'm just playing
next year.
I'm just playing. Cage got to give me 2 championships back to back, and then we'll move on to whatever he wants to move on to, or we'll stay on go-kart racing, whatever he wants to do.
I like go-kart racing.
He gonna give me 2 championships
He
back.
can go-kart race. He can drag race. You can drag race.
He's gonna give me 2 championships back to back before he moves on to his other whatever venture in racing he wants to. So if you see him out here, 45 years old gut hanging out, wearing a super medium shirt, but he's not so medium no more.
Wearing people out.
You just know he never got them 2 championships. So if he's 40 and the old hairline's receding, no bald on top, and he's just all blowed out looking, you say, Caden, you let your daddy down. You never gave him them 2 championships back to back. So what we working on, buddy?
We're doing that first championship.
We're gonna get that first one, and then that second one's coming.
And then he said he wanted a pro mod.
And then he wants a pro mod. I don't even have a pro mod. How's he gonna get a pro mod? I don't have a pro mod.
Because I want a pro mod. I want to go to the race car.
Oh, you want a car like Nigel?
Yes.
You want a car like Derek Reynolds? You want a car like he wants a car like Derek Reynolds?
I think it's a pro mod.
It's a pro mod. It's a he can hide behind that. It's a street car. Blah blah blah. Listen, I can drive my car down the street too, but that don't make it any less race car than any race car we race against, Derek. If you racing race cars with your race car, you trail it to the track, you, sir, have a race car. I don't care if it does have a tag on the back of it. In state of North Carolina, it's not that hard to get a tag on something.
Well, you can't say that because the truck's a street truck and we trailer it to track sometimes.
The truck's a street truck.
But
Derek got a race car.
Hey, we know James has
What you gonna do? What you gonna do with Derek's daughter's Mustang?
Golly.
What you gonna do to
Don't
her?
even get me started there.
Come on now.
I'm gonna be looking in my rearview mirror.
What does she text you all the time? So Derek sent me a message and he's like, he's videoing his daughter. And he's like, who's your best friend? And she's like, Caden Paysauer or P, however you say his last name. And he's like, you can't have no boy as your best friend. He's like, well, you got a girl as your best friend. And he's like, yeah, but I'm about to kick her too. What'd he say, Nick? Y'all don't even remember. Something about dirt road. He's like,
kick her out.
Her old bro kept going to be kicking rocks down the dirt road. I don't know, it was something hilarious. But she be chasing Caden all the time, talking about she gonna gap him. She tells you all the time she gonna outrun him. She gonna outrun him. So what you gonna do, bro?
I'm gonna have to get that rear view mirror set up right, I think.
Well, we're gonna start with outrunning her daddy first. Come on over. You see that new turbo? You come on over and City Side Outlaw. I'm gonna mess you up. Man, I done made Adam Green quit from the number 11 spot. Then you go through, got Derek Reynolds. Hell, he's been up at #1, beyond #1 for years. And now he ain't talking about even coming. He don't even want to come race with us. He's already out. Like, his old dog's going slow. He's talking about, yeah. We make one decent little hit. Which the other night he did get me. The other night he said, I seen him just slip. I said, we PB'd. He said,
It's not hard to be PB.
he said, ain't hard.
5-0s.
Yeah, he said, it ain't hard to PB going 5-0s. And me rolling. God, it was funny. It is funny. He's slick. But like I said, y'all wish us luck tonight. We can go out here and have some fun. What you think, Caden? You gonna have some fun? That's all it's about, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
That's all it's about. Alright, ride with us. Now, before all y'all start, I'm going to apologize for these loud generators. Man, I can't help it. I wish I could cut it all out, but you got to think this is a low-dollar production. So don't hold it against me. Just watch the video, please, if you would. Like you said, that old generator, that thing's making some racket, but we'll get through this together. Appreciate you.
Trying to get the tent up. Hot out here. There's a little bit of a breeze, but it's still kind of hot.
I ain't thinking about it.
Hot, ain't it, Caden?
Yeah.
The breeze feels pretty good, but
real tired now. I'm gonna sleep good tomorrow. Keyword tomorrow, because I won't be in the bed after 1 o'clock tonight making this video. So today we're gonna try to do like a little bit more of a vlog style. I hope y'all like it or whatever. Instead of, I notice a lot of people don't like. I mean, a lot of people don't like the go-kart racing. I don't get as many views on the go-kart racing as I do the drag racing. So, which is understandable because round track ain't for everybody. But I do appreciate all y'all. If y'all watched this long in the video, I appreciate you. I'm gonna start doing more of a kind of like a vlog style of more of just, instead of it just being racing round track circles, just around, and y'all getting bored because y'all don't even know the drivers or none of that crap. With the go-kart racing, there's so many people that race go-karts. It ain't like the list where I can go through and I can be like, well, this is such, this is such a, there's 100 drivers out here. I can't keep up with everybody in every class and everything, and I wish I could. If you want to watch all the other people's races, go to Mountain Creek. They record every race and put it on their Facebook, Mountain Creek Speedway. But, so what I plan on doing now, I want to start recording like in between the rounds, just me and Kate picking the go-kart up, talking, interacting, and Nikki's going to be my camera girl. We hired her. I fired her the other night. I had a sign held up. I was going to be like, camera girl wanted, because she was slacking at the drag strip.
I don't ever slack.
She don't slack. I'm just playing. Nah, she was she didn't record
for 5 minutes.
She didn't record Kenny Leopard's damn PB pass. So I was like, you fired. But his old lady recorded, so I said, you want a job? I'm gonna hire you as the camera girl. But nah, like I said, I ended up Caden finished second. He done great, done fine. Lap times were good, consistent. Go-kart did well. My go-kart went out there and handled like a drag car on a dirt track. It just wanted to go straight. And I couldn't get that thing to turn. So Brandon Agee come by and helped me out. We loosened the whole cart up. Went out and it turned a little better. It was loose in practice, it was turning. Then it wouldn't turn. So then before my main, I changed the gear out. I loosened everything up on the cart. I took some cross weight out. I took some cross out of it. I moved the weight from my seat to my right front wheel so I would have more bite in the front. I moved my seat forwards, and that thing was rolling. Best lap times I've ever been around there. Like, we were doing good. Them other people, they just fast. They just flat out fast. Like Kate, right now, Kate's personal best around the track and my personal best, or our personal best, because we run roughly the same exact time. We've both been 12.18s around that track before, which is unheard of last year. Last year, the track was like 13.2s, 13.0s, 13.2s. Stock of 12.70s was a fast last year, but they regraded the track, so the place is completely faster. We're just a little bit off the mark, and heavy, we done great. I done told the go-kart I went out. I got on the go-kart for the main after doing all that work, and I was like aggravated. I was just not, I mean, I'm in my zone today. I'm fatigued, I'm tired, I'm just focused. And I went out and I got on the go-kart, put my helmet on, and I swear to you on my kid's life, I said, if you don't finish at least third, I'm selling. You ain't built for this. We're doing something different. We'll move over and start racing dirt cars, something with horsepower, something that can go through and make up for your lack of driving ability. So that's what it is. Horsepower sports is for people that can't drive. Low horsepower stuff is for people that can drive because they're consistent. Horsepower sports is you have enough horsepower to make up for lack of driving. So I said, if you don't finish third, I said, well, I don't know. I said, you've been finishing dead last. Third out of 8 people is pretty serious task. Like, you might hold up, host. You got high hopes for yourself. I said, you better not say third, because this thing will be on Craigslist tonight. If you really want to sell it, say third. I said, if you don't give me at least a fourth, you're going on the swapping shop. We're up on our swapping shop. Yeah, my name's Sammy. I got a racing go-kart. I suck at driving. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell that thing. So I said, you know what? I'm going to give it an effort. So I went out. First lap, I knew we was on to something, because instantly it went from my ghost. Look at my ghost about to cut the lights off and on. Instantly went out on the first lap. We went from last dead, like somewhere towards the back, to to fourth, and we were having some swapping back and forth. We were having some good racing. Then we had a caution. This old guy kept trying to pass me on the caution. I'm like, fool, I'm in front of you. Like, why are you trying to pass me? I ain't done nothing. But the officials got it right. He looked like he was mad. He'd have been all right either way. Whatever he wanted to do, he could have got it either way. So I ended up going through and securing a fourth. On the last lap, I knew they were going to try tagging my bumper, but I was checking up, just kind of cruising, not trying to be stupid. Now, I was gassed a little too early going in turn one. Got spun sideways. Boy, ain't no pump. You know I can drive. I went ahead and hooked her to the right, hammered the gas, held it wide open, pulled out, secured that fourth place. So I guess we ain't selling the go-kart. So I had high hopes. Now I go out and I'm like, God, the kart's handling good. We're going to do good. I go out for medium. Now keep in mind, my kart's about 40 pounds heavy for medium. 40, 45 pounds. I'm way too heavy on it. But that ain't no excuse, because Brandon Agee goes out and runs 12 O's in medium, just like he does in heavy and in sumo. So he does great. But I go out there and I run 12 2s pretty consistently, 12 3s, 12 4s, around that. I'm at the back of the pack and they were just running off on me. The leader run 11 8s. They were all running 12 0. Now I have no place being in medium. I have no place. I don't have the skill to be driving with them, with the lack of horsepower and the extra weight I carry. I can't run with them. We'll get there once I get the kart set up and get it all handling. But Caden over here on the other hand, like I said, that boy done good. I was proud of him. I kept on seeing it. He started messing up a little bit because he was trying too hard, and I was like, son, telling myself, just settle down. All we need is a second place, because if we just keep on going out there here and finishing second or get us a win, that championship's on lock. Like right now, we got a pretty significant lead that's going to take a lot to catch up. So that's all I want. I want to get that points championship this year, get that leather jacket. The boys want his jacket, so we're going to try for it. Anyways, y'all, please like, share, subscribe, comment. That's please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you one later.